Grace channel once again. In spite of this pandemic situation, to keep up the academic skills of the students of Appalai, I'm back with a video based on our curriculum. Today I'm going to cover an interesting chapter of class 7 MCB, that is hopscotch. Kuntebille in Karnataka, Pandi in Tamil Nadu, Tokudubilla in Andhra Pradesh, and Khane in Kashmir. Popularly known as hopscotch, this street game has managed to entertain kids all over the world for generations. It has been said that the game dates back to 3,000 years ago to the days of ancient Rome. There are many variations of the hopscotch game all over the world, but almost all variations follow a basic rule. In order to play this game, you need to first draw a course of 8 number squares on the ground like this. The game involves 3 elements, mainly a course, a marker and players. The player tosses the marker into the first square. The marker should not touch the line or the player is considered out of the game. The player then jumps over the first square and hops on one leg across the squares. The player turns around, hops through the squares, back and picks the marker and jumps over that square. Then the player tosses the marker on the second square, and so on until he or she finishes the lap. Hopscotch is a simple yet a skilled game. It requires physical agility and swiftness and tests the player's balance and precision. This traditional game acts as learning aids also. They teach us many things: to learn, to win and to lose, to observe keenly and to develop our maths and sensory skills. It also improves motor skills and hand-eye coordination to plan and think logically. And above all, players really have fun to play this game. So based on this summary of this chapter, hopscotch, let us move on to the quiz session. So the first question for you all is, all over India, hopscotch is commonly known as dash. Please write your answers in a chat box. Yes, the correct answer is kit kit. Second question for you all. To play this game, what does a player need? A player needs agility and swiftness. Third question. How many squares are drawn to play this game? Yes, you are correct. 8 squares. What is the player considered as if the marker does not land in the right square? Yes, the correct answer, the player is considered out. What is the main aim of this game? Yes, to hop across the squares of the grid. Hope you all understood this chapter very well. Please go through this chapter in your textbook and wait for my next video. Till then, bye children.